Once again, today's post notification goes out to Fashionable You. Thank you, Fashionable You, for commenting under my video. If you want a post notification shout out, comment below. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I crocheted this passion twist in my hair. And if you're new here, hello, like, comment and subscribe, turn on that post notification bell, and stay tuned to the end of this video.
Okay, then gotta comb out some more. Okay, doing it in sections. Okay, then she's gonna part it again. Good. Doing a good job so far. Okay, she's going to lasket that now. Good, combing it out. Okay. That's the third one. She's doing it all the way down and all the way around. Good. Right, that's where it is at. Combing out all those. Yeah, make sure so it will come out. Nice. Nice, done. Nice. Can we go all the way back so you won't put in all of those right. So yeah, right. Nice. Boy, she really make it look neat. See how the back look, right? That's the finishing product. Not bad. Let's get to Ray, goody got use. One down. Right, neat. Good. Not bad. Bring it through. Right. This takes patience. Right. So she get it again. Good girl. Nice. And you see, and you pull it through. Right. Really good. You got use. Not bad. So she pull it through, right? One more, pull it through. Nice. Pull it through. Wow, looking nice. Looking real good. So she's a third there. I don't even know if I call that. And the process begins pushing through and knotting. You have to ensure that you knot it so that it stay in place. Right, see it there. She's showing you perfectly. Good girl. Not bad. Nice, nice. Nice. That's nice. So we're halfway there. Looking real good. Not lie. It really looking good. I figure her props, so she's starting the next side now. Good. Remember, you have to pull it through that hoop thing. Right. So that it holds the hair in place. Good. Nice. Nice job. There we go. One more. Really goody got use. Goody got use. But at least she have to have use still now. She learning from the best. Nicely done. But I'll take braid over this. I don't know. Girl. Oh my god, she looking so nice already. Fill in all those spaces. Ensure so you fill in the spaces them while you go. Nice, nice. I think this is the back now. Right. Oh, this is how she did the back. Okay, then. Where the hell she tie that for? Hold on there. Oh. Oh, no, me see. Come here, I wonder what she did on her head back there, say no. I mean, I wonder where did I go on, but I see it. Yes, goody got see it. And then she clip off the, oh, goody got like a use. Goody got like a use. Yeah, goody got use. Yeah, you're looking about 5. This is nice. I like how she's doing it. She really take her time. I like it. I like that. Make me feel proud. You know, I'm feeling like a proud mama. Yeah, I'm feeling like a real proud mama. Yes, it's really coming on, girl. I like it. Liking it. I'm loving it. Nice. I like it. Just take the time and search and feel and make sure. Yeah. She'll want like a Riri when she done anything and look nice, man, Lord, girl. You're learning. I like how she take the time out and use her finger to guide her, to ensure she do it right. So like how she doing it. And she checking and making sure. Yes, yes. Oh, that's the one now. This is called patience. And a quick hairstyle. You can do it yourself. And you're she filling in all those spotted places, all them places they want. Yeah. That's what she doing all of that. Nice, nice, nice. See a quick hairstyle. Not bad, girl. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. Not bad. I like how she make her fingers help her along and guide her along, filling in all them spaces and things. Not bad, girlie. Nice. Just why your edge control and thing when you're done. Yeah. Yeah, man, not bad. I have to give you your props. Finally filling all those little areas and thingy. Yeah. Nice. Just want your edge control now, girlie. And your shell. I mean, goody, step out. I mean, talk the things them. Talk the things them. Just want your edge control now, yeah. Just your edge control.
Okay, guys, so that is it. Look at it. I managed to fill out all the blanks. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.